agency. Look at these guys. It's an island animal house.
Is this the latest installment of The Hangover?
I love it.
What are you doing, man? Look at you. Your shoes don't match, your clothes don't match. You haven't shaved in God knows how long. Tom, do you remember what everyone said when you started training? Buddy Wayne said, wrestling doesn't need another flabby white guy. But I took you under my wing. I helped make you one half of the longest reigning SOS Tag Team Champions in history. I did this for you because I believed in you. And this is how you repay me? But this was a masterpiece until you ripped it up. You ripped it up. And I'm here to help you get back on the path.
I mean, I've heard stories of this group.
Yeah, this great group.
This cult-like gathering, if you will. I just never thought I'd see it in person.
I did see some literature spread around recently. Some really crazy ideas.
I'm not saying you're with them, but they have some cool ideas.
Islanders. Now, some of you might know me from my very, very popular wellness influencing sites until my social media was sadly destroyed. But for those of you who don't, for the ignorant, for the uninformed, I am your friend, I am your mentor, I am your teacher in wellness, Rand. And I am here with my friend, my first convert, Tommy, or rather I should say, Tomas. But to show that we are magnanimous, please, Tomas, we have my proprietary cleansing tea, and we will give you this first sip for free. So please, understand that the journey to wellness begins with a single step, or in this case, sip.
The IPA can't turn down shots. They just can't.
Yeah, the smartest move, but down the hatch it goes, the IPA.
Hey, Cody.
Oh, I knew it. There was something in that tea.
I think the IPA has IBS.
Now you see, cleansing comes in many ways, shapes, and forms. But after this purging, I assure you, these two will be new.
Clear the way, you guys.
But there's still one more thing that needs to be purged. And what purges better than fire?
Whoa. What are you doing?
The path of Tacoma, it was like,
Wait, the light, that music! There's a chill in the air!
that can only be.
Ghost Pirate Brian!
It's the inebriated apparition.
GPB! GPB! Ghost Pirate Brian is back, and the path looked like they've seen a ghost. Well, I mean, I guess.
Yeah.
You got all it's saying. There's 3 of you, there's 3 of them, and as always, if there's even amount of combatants, there will be a tag team match.
And the referee showed up.
Right, it's unfortunately not an Island Rules matchup. Something that Ghost Pirate Brian is very used to. He's got to hand over the cane before this can begin.
He's handing over his cane Glenn.
It's Michael Kane.
Michael Kane. On Michael Kane.
Oh, and it looks like Red wants no part of this, and Tomas.
Hey, Cody, Bellet.
Tomas will start things off. Oh, but Tomas doesn't want any part of this, and the path are not on the same path thus far.
Brian appeared ghostier to people. Is that possible?
Oh, come on. And the path.
Wait till Ghost Pirate Brian's back was turned and they're all over him.
If it works. Ghost Pirate Brian gets sent to the ropes, dodges the double clothesline, sends him into his partner, and a big boot by Brian. And a ghostly clothesline.
Brian, swinging neck breaker by the Ghost Pirate.
Shaking, rattling, and rolling those bones as Ghost Pirate Brian tags in Tommy the Tank.
Oh my goodness!
What a double team, and I think things might be over for the path as quickly as they began.
Yeah, they might be second guessing the decision. Tommy the Tank just lighting up both members of the path.
That's right, Meek. I saw Tommy the Tank gargling some whiskey backstage earlier. He said it was just a warm-up. Look at him manhandling the path. Let's go, Tommy the Tank.
Tommy picking up Tomas.
Mojo, now the legal combatant.
Everyone's favorite Simeon superstar has made his way into the ring.
Mojo, full super arm drag attempt. Tomas does the same, kip up by Mojo. Does the clothesline is Mojo right to the chest with that chop. And Mojo looking to do some boingy boingies. Okay.
Beautiful arm drag by Mojo, followed up by that drop kick. Pinpoint precision.
Mojo setting up for it. Oh, wait a Radford.
Radford with that book.
I don't know if anyone saw that. Radford definitely making his presence felt there. Allegedly. Ooh, and a kick right to the head of Mojo as Tomas tags in his partner.
After the path got deep platform, they tried to head here to the island. Oh, incredible double team.
Right to pass. All of their social media accounts deleted. Close, but not enough. Now I heard that Will Smith isn't a part of the path, but he likes their ideas. Our self-proclaimed mentor, saying he's all of our friends, but right now it doesn't look like he's Mojo's friend. Dragging him away from his corner as Nick Radford is now the legal combatant of his team here.
Radford felt like Tommy the Tank turned his back on him, so he called it reinforcements to help maybe find a new direction.
Telling Tommy that this is his fault that Mojo is just getting brutalized right now.
Radford tagging his partner.
paved with good intentions as Mojo being brought to his feet, sent to the enemy corner as far away from his teammates as possible. Now Mojo is in trouble.
And Diego was looking for a double team maneuver. Oh, meeting in the middle.
They were looking for it and they got it. Is this it, Beak? Only a 2 there. Near fall. Mojo's still in this one, but you can bet your butt that the damage has been done.
Another tag. And another. We do have 5 seconds to work. Any kind of double team maneuver. Mojo's fighting out here.
Radford runs into a boot. Let's go, Mojo!
Tagging in goes Pirate Brian.
GPB's looking to fuck shit up. Let's go!
Back elbow by Brian. And another.
Big splinters into the corner with a whole lot of stank.
Delivering that chop right through the sternum of Tomas.
Tomas counters the Irish whip, but goes Pirate Brian, dumps him up and over on the top rope.
Looks like somebody might be going for a ride. Oh! Springboard clothesline by the inebriated apparition.
Radford! Radford in the right place at the right time. Just taking Brian out of the equation, and the same can be said as Tommy the Tank's now on the floor.
This one's breaking down. Goes Pirate Brian back into the ring.
You're doing great.
As the now our self-proclaimed mentor, looking to show us and Ghost Pirate Brian the path. Oh, the path to broken leg, maybe. Pirate Brian back in action. They have just been taken out as Nick Radford now will be combatant back in this one. It's a little time dropping an elbow.
Brian not sure where he is, reaching for the wrong corner, unfortunately.
Oh, come on.
The disrespect, that's what hurts the worst.
It's like the least fun move I've ever seen. Hey, not only did he get under all of our skin, he's done the same to Ghost Pilot Brian, who's still far away from his corner, and that leg, I think it's the target, Nick.
Yeah, Tomas kicking the inner leg and thigh. And Ghost Pirate Brian, who can barely stand at this moment.
Ross looking to tag out, but
Following the direction of his mentor.
mentor demanded.
Release the centipede!
The centipede!
I have no idea what I just saw.
And Ghost Pirate Brian kicks out of the centipede at 1.
There is still life in this dead man.
DBB, every time he gets one step closer to getting out of trouble. Nick Radford, the path taken right back down. Ghost Pirate Brian once again sent to the enemy territory. As Nick Radford, he's looking to place him on the top. This is a very dangerous place to be for everybody involved.
The path holding Ghost Pirate Brian in places nowhere for him to go, but he's fighting out, Cody.
That's right. Ghost Pirate Brian up high.
Blockbuster! What do we call that, the Ghostbuster?
Or the Doom 2. Apparently it's Doom 2. Come on, Brian. Can Ghost Pirate Brian make it to Tommy? Can he make it to Mojo?
Well, Mojo and Plank have their hands extended.
No, wait a minute. Tomas! Tomas, you little shit.
Radford with a cocky pinfall attempt.
Ghost Pirate Brian was about to get out of this one, about to be able to recharge, but the eat defeat connects. Brian guns up.
Brian eating soul food tonight. face of Ghost Pirate Brian.
The way are showing us the way, or the path are showing us the way rather, as they are taking it to Ghost Pirate Brian, but no. Able to take out of that big splash. I mean, we've all, like I said, we've all seen the path before their social media accounts delete it. And seeing them here on the island, seeing them in this context, helping Radford, but it's not doing much right now as Ghost Pirate Brian's fighting back!
Mojo's fired up over here. Oh, no.
Baroshi, that might be all she wrote. Oh, wait. A little muscle memory here is Radford looking to tag out to his old partner, but this ain't the Academy.
Those days are over. Radford dragging Ghost Pirate Brian up to his feet.
Brian counters the neck breaker. Beautiful implant brain buster. This is the moment GP Beastland looking for.
He's got two fresh tag team partners apologies over here in the corner. Both Mojo and Tommy the Tank are fired up, ready to get in here and clean house.
And here we go.
The big man is in, and the path is down. Huge splash, Cody.
Oh, Tommy the Tank. Moving faster than I've ever seen him before. Let's go, Tommy!
Oh, they did.
Did he just pave the path? Because they are flattened. As, oh, no, Almond. Tommy the Tank!
Incredible strength. Vertical suplex to both members of the path.
Tommy looking to end this. But Radford trying to stop things here. On the distraction, maybe not the best ideas. Tomas looked like he was going to take a beat, but
Radford's still trying to reason with Tom.
I don't think Radford brought that book into the ring.
No, he didn't.
Radford actually taking that poetry book away from the path. And Almond!
Double spine buster. Incredible strength shown by the Tank.
Tom Almond, Tommy the Tank, if you're nasty, tags Mojo in. Springboard! Crossbody!
Crossbody by Brian.
And that's it! No, cheers.
And Ghost Pirate Brian!
Ghost Pirate Brian so happy with that victory, he almost stole my beer. Everybody loves an impromptu tag match, especially when this animal house of a team are standing tall. Keep it going for Ghost Pirate Brian.